Running a business is hard enough. Running a business and trying to manage your own technology? That's unnecessarily hard. That's where Vision Computer Solutions comes in. We're a managed service provider, or MSP, which means we proactively manage your technology so that you don't have to. Monitoring, maintenance, cybersecurity, cloud support, backups, user help, the entire stack. With Vision, issues get handled before they slow you down. Your data stays secure, your systems stay reliable, and your team stays productive. And the best part? You get enterprise-level IT support without the cost of an in-house IT department. That means faster systems, fewer interruptions, stronger security, and far fewer "why isn't this working" moments. And we'll even help you with your operational efficiency as well. We also help stop your team from clicking on things they probably shouldn't. Oh my God, I want $10 million! See, Derek, this is why you have to start watching those training videos that we send. I'm just gonna go ahead and close that out. So what's an MSP? It's Vision Computer Solutions, your dedicated technology partner, keeping your business secure, efficient, and ready for what's next. Your vision is our vision. Contact us today to get started.